Ever wished for soft, pink lips that look naturally gorgeous without layers of lipstick? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll reveal simple, natural remedies that you can do at home to make your lips look fresh, pink, and totally kissable. Stick around, because tip number 5 is a complete game changer. Before diving into remedies, let's quickly understand why lips lose their natural color. Here are the common reasons. Dehydration. Not drinking enough water makes your lips dry and dull. Sun exposure. UV rays can darken lips over time. Smoking or caffeine. Chemicals in cigarettes and excessive caffeine intake can stain lips. Lip products. Cheap or expired lip products might contain harsh chemicals. Knowing the cause helps you prevent further damage. Now, let's move to the remedies. Honey and lemon mask. Mix 1 tsp honey and tsp fresh lemon juice. Apply it to your lips for 10 minutes and rinse off. Lemon lightens dark pigmentation, and honey keeps lips soft and hydrated. Rose petal balm. Soak fresh rose petals in 1 tsp milk for an hour. Crush them and apply the paste. Rose petals naturally enhance lip color, while milk moisturizes deeply. Sugar and olive oil scrub. Combine 1 tsp sugar with tsp olive oil. Scrub your lips gently for 1–2 minutes and rinse. Sugar exfoliates dead skin, and olive oil nourishes new skin cells. Beetroot stain. Rub a slice of beetroot directly onto your lips for a natural pink tint. Beetroot pigments give an instant rosy glow. Aloe vera gel. Apply fresh aloe vera gel and leave it overnight. Aloe vera heals chapped lips and restores softness. Here are some quick tips to maintain pink, healthy lips. Stay hydrated by drinking at least 8 glasses of water daily. Use a good quality lip balm with SPF. Avoid licking your lips, it dries them out further. Quit smoking and limit caffeine to protect your natural lip color. Small changes make a big difference over time. And there you have it. With these natural remedies and simple lifestyle tips, your lips will look and feel amazing in no time. Try these out, and let me know which one works best for you in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Wellness with Arsh for more tips on staying naturally beautiful.